Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link a private story on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Snapchat app. Take a photo or record a video and tap Stickers. Here, tap Story and select Private Story. Then type in a name for the story. Now, anytime you send this to a friend or add this to your story, the friend will be able to access your story. And that's how you link a private story on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.